Remember, in phonics, there are 3 aspects to every letter. There is a picture. Okay, it's just a picture. That's all that is. There is a name to the picture. The name for this letter is A. The sound of the letter is A. It's important you understand there are 3 parts. Okay? The picture, the name, the sound. The name is the least important of all of them. That's just what we use to spell words. The sound is how we decode words. Look up decoding. Okay, let's go. A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, 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 M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Qu, Qu, R, 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 not L, R, 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 S, S, T, T, U, V, 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 not W, W, V, V, W, 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 X, X, X. This is a K and an S sound together. X, as in box, fox. Not egg, box, fox. No. X. Y, Y, Y. Z, Z, Z. S can often have this sound if it's what we call a hard S, as in the word is. Z. I hope this is useful.